Hello students, welcome to Math and Tricks. Today we are going to discuss NCERT solutions CBSE for class 8th chapter 1 rational numbers. Now let us see the introduction of the chapter. In numbers we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Natural numbers nothing but the numbers that are starting from 1 are nothing but natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let us see the whole numbers. Whole numbers, the numbers that are starting from 0 is nothing but whole numbers. 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now integers. Integers are nothing but both positive and negative numbers. For example, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2 and so on, etc. Now rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q form, that is q is not equals to 0. Example 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4, etc. Now let us see the properties of the rational numbers. In this we have closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Now let us see the closure property under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now under addition, when we add two rational numbers, then the resulting number should be also the rational number. Now let us see the example. 1 by 6 is the rational number and 2 by 6 is the rational number. When we add those two rational numbers, the resulting rational number will be 1 by 2 and it is a rational number, which is a rational number and it is satisfied under addition. Now let us see the subtraction. Let us take the examples 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. 1 by 2, it is also a rational number and it is satisfied under subtraction. Now let us see the multiplication. When we multiply two rational numbers, then the result should be a rational number, then this condition also will be satisfied. Let us see the example. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 equals to 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 4, 8, that is 3 by 8. It is a rational number and it is satisfied. Now let us see under division. Let us take examples of 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 rational numbers. Now 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 2 into 4 by 3, that is here 3 by 4 should be reversed, then 4 by 3. 1 by 2 into 4 by 3 equals to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3, which is also a rational number. Let us take another example. If a be the rational number and a divided by 0 here is not defined under division, that the closure property under division in rational numbers is not satisfied. Now let us see the commutative property. For the commutative property under addition is a plus b equals to b plus a. We have to satisfy this, that a plus b and b plus a are equal. Let us see 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here we should take the LCM of 2 and 4 and here for 4 and 2. And by solving this, 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4 and that is LHS equals to RHS and the commutative property under addition is satisfied. Now let us see the subtraction. Formula for this is a minus b equals to b minus a. We have to prove this. Now let us take 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now let us take the LCM of 3 and 4 and 3 is 12. 8 minus 15 by 12 equals to 15 minus 8 by 12. Here the negative of the number will come and both LHS and RHS are not equal and it is not satisfied. That is the closure commutative property under subtraction is not satisfied. Now let us see under multiplication. multiplication a into b equals to b into a. We have to solve this. For example, we have to take 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. That is 6 by 12 equals to 6 by 12. Both LHS and RHS are equal, and that is here the condition is verified. Now let us see in division. In division, a divided by b equals to b divided by a. We have to solve this condition. Let us take the example of 3 by 4 divided by 6 by 2 equals to 6 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. That equals to 3 by 4 divided by 6 by 2, 6 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Here this denominator will be reversed, and 3 by 4 into 2 by 6 equals to 6 by 2 into 4 by 3. 6 by 24 equal to 24 by 6. Here the both sides, both LHS and RHS are not equal, and this property under division is not satisfied. Now let us see the associative property under addition, and the formula for addition is a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. Here in LHS and RHS the bracket should be changed. For example, let us take a equals to 1 by 2, b equal to 3 by 4 and c equals to 1 by 4. Now let us prove LHS equals to RHS. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. By solving this, we will get 3 by 2 equals to 3 by 2. Both are equal, both LHS and RHS are equal, and here the condition is satisfied. That is, associative property under addition in rational numbers are satisfied. Now let us see the associative property under subtraction. That is, a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. Let us solve this as 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus, like here 4 and 4, LCM 4, 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to 2 minus, here for 2 and 4 LCM should be taken, and for this 2 minus 3 by 4 minus of 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0 of LHS, and for RHS is minus 1 by 2. And here the both LHS and RHS are not equal, and the condition is not satisfied. That is, subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Now let us see the multiplication in associative property. Minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 is equals to minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9. Now take the LHS, minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9. Let us solve this. Minus 7 by 3 into, in bracket, 5 into 2 equals to 10, 4 into 9 equals to 36. Minus 7 into 10 equals to minus 70, 3 into 36 is 108, that is minus 70 by 108. Now let us see the RHS, minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 9. First we have to solve in brackets, minus 35 by 12 into 2 by 9, that equals to minus 70 by 108. Both are equal, and here the condition is satisfied. That is, the multiplication in associative property is satisfied. Now let us see the division. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 equals to 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Now let us take the LHS. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 into 5 by 2. Here the 2 by 5 will be reversed because the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. And here 1 by 2 divided by minus 5 by 6, that is 1 by 2 into, here the 5 by 6 will be reversed, and minus 6 by 5, and the result will be minus 3 by 5. Now let us see the RHS. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 equals to 1 by 2 into this one, minus 1 by 3 should be reversed, minus 3 by 1 divided by 2 by 5. For this, the result will be minus 3 by 2 and divided by 2 by 5. Minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 2, that is equals to minus 15 by 4. Here the LHS and RHS are not equal and the condition is not satisfied. Now let us see the distributive property. In distributive property, we have to see multiplication over addition, that is A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Let us take the rational numbers minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. LHS minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 equals to minus 3 by 4 into, in brackets we have to take the LCM of 3 and 6 is the LCM 6 and 4 plus minus 5, that is minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6 equals to 4 6 are 24, 3 1s are 3, minus into minus plus 3 by 24, that is equals to 1 by 8. Now let us see the RHS. In RHS we have two brackets, that is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, that is equals to minus 3 into 2 by 4 into 3, minus 6 by 12 is equals to minus 1 by 2. And now minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6 equals to minus 15 by 24, that is equals to 5 by 8. We have to add these two. By adding those two, we will get the result 1 by 8, that is LHS is equals to RHS, that is the distributive property condition is satisfied for rational numbers. Okay, up to now we have seen the properties in rational numbers. Now let us see the negative of the number. Negative of the number is nothing but now we have to take 1 as a number, then minus 1 will be the negative of the number, because when we add the number and its negative, the result should be 0. That is minus 1 is the negative of the number. And now we will see the reciprocal of the number. Reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse of the number, is also called as multiplicative inverse. For example, we have to take we see 8 by 21 will be the number and its reciprocal will be reversed, and the result will be 21 by 8. Now let us see another example, that is 22 by 4 and the reciprocal will be 4 by 22. For any number of a rational number, the reciprocal should be the reversing of a number. Okay, till now we have seen the introduction of this chapter. Now in the next video, we will start the exercises. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.